Class 9 Maths Exercise 1.6. Question number 2. Solve the following system of linear equation using Cramer rules. Among the system of linear equations, solve using Cramer rules. Let's suppose among Sara equation the ax plus by is equal to m and cx plus dy is equal to n. Among the x coefficient y, among the y coefficient, and again x coefficient and y coefficient. Was among the coefficient of x and y among your matrix? That one equation among your matrix form Q. X coefficient a and c, y coefficient b and y, b and d to x and y, or m and n. The tap among matrix A y or the amongst matrix B de. Was checkal among the x values find go the x values the x value find go among basilico ax divided by a determined and ax determined. Was the ax mang sara sashedi asal ki the ax mang sara your matrix de chipai ki manga the x kam coefficient kam mang sara a or c coefficient de da mang replace ko po m or n mani mang sara ax wala matrix azigi m and n, b and d. The tamang vayu x coefficient chikala mang replace ko po matrix b jega mang sara column matrix e pagi mani aw da shan chikala mang a y liku chikala mang y find ko bya mang da replace ko po bya mang the y coefficient replace ko po m or n mani mang sara shi a or c, m and n. Dashan y among sa barabar shi the ay determinant divided by a determinant. Namang sa badaltan x or daltan among sa y find shi. Among question solve ko. Question number 2 ki part number first day. X minus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus y is equal to 6. Mang ba fela x coefficient turi ko dalta among sa x coefficient de 1. Dalta among sa x coefficient de 2. We have the y coefficient which is equal to minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1. We have a second variable, the x and y is equal to 5 and 6. Dito pa mga matrix A y, dito matrix B y. Mga sabarashi matrix A which is equal to 1, 2, minus 2 and minus 1. Matrix B which is equal to 5 and 6. Uspamanga using Cramer rules the question solve ko namang ba your matrix ax ax mang sa barabar de chikala manga pa matrix A ki mang the x coefficient mang sa x coefficient 1 and 2 ida mang replace ko pa 5 and 6 mani namang sa barashi 5 and 6 minus 2 and minus 1. Daba as it is Rashi. Biaba manga matrix AY uliku AY which is equal to A matrix pamanga uliku 1 and 2 aw chekam mang sara the x coefficient t the y coefficient t minus 2 and minus 1 daba replace ku manga po 5 and 6 mani mang sabarashi 5 and 6. Was mang sara dre matrix rala matrix ax, matrix ay and matrix A. Was bamanga that the matrix is determined. Find determinant of A which is equal to 1, 2, minus 2 and minus 1. Tadi namang sarale 1 multiply minus 1. Daba manga multiply go the minus 1 sara parmali wala minus 2 multiply minus 2. Tadi namang sarale minus 1 and plus 4 which is equal to 3. Among sarale determinant of A which is equal to 3. was determinant of ax, determinant of ax, which is equal to 5, 6, minus 2 and minus 1. Mangsara matrix dare. Nadira mangsara le 5 multiply minus 1. Da 5 para wala minus 1 se multiply ko formula wala minus 6 multiply minus 2. Nadira mangsara le minus 5 and plus 12, which is equal to 7. Namang sarale ax determinant, which is equal to 7. Dakshan bamanga the ay determinant find ko determinant of ay, which is equal to 1, 2, 5 and 6, which is equal to 1 multiply 6 formula wala minus 2 multiply 5, which is equal to 6 minus 10, which is equal to minus 4. Ay determinant is equal to minus 4. Mangsara the a determinant value humrala, the ax determinant value humrala, or the ay determinant value humrala. Was chikala manga x find ko x value mang bali ko ax determinant divided by ax determinant divided by a determinant. Chikala mang y find ko bya mangali ko ay determinant divided by a determinant. Now the value for to ax mang sa barabar de the 7 divided by a value mang sara de 3. Among the final rashi 7 by 3 among sara the x value rala, hence x is equal to 7 by 3. Delta among the ay value for among sara the minus 4 divided by 3. The a value among the 3 among sara rale y is equal to minus 4 by 3. Among sara the x or the y values find show using Kramer rule. Part number 2 the among sara 4x plus 3y is equal to minus 2 and x minus 2y is equal to 5. The among the first matrix form ko x coefficient which is equal to 4 and 1, y coefficient 3 and minus 2, x and y is equal to minus 2 and 5. Amongst the matrix A rale, which is equal to 4, 1, 3, minus 2. The among matrix A view. The amongst the matrix B de matrix B is equal to minus 2 and 5. Yep, among the determinant of A find co determinant of A, which is equal to 4 multiply minus 2. Formula wala minus 1 multiply 3, which is equal to minus 8 and minus 3, which is equal to minus 11. Determinant of A, which is equal to minus 11. उस पमंगा यो मैट्रिक्स ax asku ax mang sa barabar bishi mang bada x coefficient rawalu daba replace ko padi b matrix mane mang sa barashi minus 2 and 5 3 and minus 2. Tashan ba mang yo matrix ay sasku aga mang barabar shi mang sara the 4 1 और दा कोएफिशिएंट पर मंग रिप्लेस को पदी minus 2 and 5 माने नमंग सब राशि minus 2 and 5. उस पर मंगा द दिद्वानो matrices determinant find को the matrix ax and ay मंग सब राशि determinant of ax which is equal to minus 2 3 5 minus 2 which is equal to minus 2 multiply minus 2 plus 4 and 5 multiply 3 minus 15 which is equal to minus 11. Sarale ax determinant which is equal to minus 11. Dakashan bamanga the ay determinant find ay determinant which is equal to 4 multiply 5 20 minus 1 multiply minus 2 which is equal to minus 2 20 plus 2 which is equal to 22. Ay determinant which is equal to 22. 2 उस मंग सारा द a determined value हमराला ax determined value हमराला और ay determined value हमराला उस पमंगा the x and y values find करो x मंग सारा बराबर दे the determinant of ax divided by determinant of a. Now the ax value the मंग सारा minus 11, determinant of a which is equal to minus 11 which is equal to 1, and y is equal to ay determinant divided by determinant of a which is equal to 22 divided by minus 11 which is equal to minus 2. Amongst the x and y value x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2. Part number 3 amongst 5x plus 7y is equal to 3 and 3x plus y is equal to 5. दा part तासो खपलो कि पहला बतासो यो matrix has के coefficient वाला है बिया x and y बिया constant 3 and 5. दे तब matrix a y या बिया बताशान x is equal to ax determinant divided by matrix determinant of a and y is equal to ay determinant of a. The Kramer rule giving simple determines no values bind को